friend Jerry's house today. Jerry! And we're making her playroom. This is her playroom that I'm standing in. We're making it into her home office. She's been working from home a lot lately, as many of you can relate to. And so we're gonna make this little area into her office, and we're gonna make it look really cool and really chic and classy for my friend. It's gonna look great. I hope you guys do. At her house, and we have some fun ideas of how we're gonna make it look really classy in here. The walls are neutral now, but we're gonna do some color and flair, because why not, right? Cannot wait to show you guys what we're doing. Slate gray, and then we're gonna do this accent wall in a cool new product that we found called Stikwood. And this is actually 100% recycled wood. It's actual wood, and on the back of it, it has adhesive. Thing you want to do with Stikwood is you want to keep it in your house overnight, or at least a couple days, just so that it acclimates to the temperature in your home. And the other thing you want to do is you want to prepare your walls. So you want to wash your walls. And we just measured the bottom floor, and we're going to start at the left corner, and we're going to go all the way to the right corner. That's our plan, and then we're going to work our way up the wall. Outlet. Make sure your electrical outlet is pulled out. You'll need to unscrew it. And we actually painted a little white behind on this gray wall because we don't want the gray to show. And you just keep using your left. Last piece. I am so excited to put this last piece in. This was fun. It was a really fun project. So just making sure my cut is up and starting on. It's a perfect fit. Yay! It's done. So here is my friend Jerry's office. I showed you some before pictures, and here is the after. The star of the show is this stickwood that we applied.